Whenever you're organizing a schedule in a Google Doc, inserting dynamic dates keeps your timeline clear, so a like helps if this makes your checklist setup smoother. Place your cursor where you want the date to appear in your document. Type an @ to open the Smart Chip search menu. Select Date under the Smart Chips category from the drop-down options. A calendar date selector opens up displaying the current month. Click the Set Time field at the bottom of the calendar if you need to add a specific time. Click the OK button to confirm your date and time selection. The Smart Chip is now inserted directly into your text. Click on the Inserted Date chip to view its configuration card. You can now easily manage and update your timeline right from your document. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick workflow tips.